Welcome to the videos for topic 5 of the training. In this sequence of videos, we're going to focus on how to change the economic growth assumptions that are built in to the tax model. This is a particularly important issue in the era of COVID, where the future path of the economy is uncertain. There's a special kind of JSON file called a GrowDiff file that will show how to use our editor to create one of those. It specifies the changes in growth assumptions that we want to make. And like our policy reforms earlier, we're going to show how to double check that our specification of the GrowDiff file makes sense and the model understands what alternative economic growth path we want to simulate. And in the third video, we'll use the GrowDiff file and simulate the aggregate tax effects of this alternative growth assumption. Now we're going to do this under current law policy, but you could also do this under a form as well. So we're going to start the way we start all of the sessions. We're going to create a topic 5 directory here in our MYI directory. And then we're gonna change to topic 5. There's nothing here now. It's empty. We just created it. So we're gonna run the, as always, we're gonna run the test. And then we're gonna run, to get ready for the next video, we're going to run current law. And we're going to do that. We don't want to slow things down with the dump output, so we're going to suppress the dump output. We're not focusing on that in this topic, but we do want to simulate all the years out to 2025. Okay? So if we do that, pretty much looks like what we've seen before. Okay. So let me clear the screen. We're going to come back to this in the next video. But let me clear the screen and show you the usage. This is the key option that we're focusing on here. There's an option to specify a file, a JSON file, that specifies how the growth path that we want to simulate differs from the default growth path that's built into the model. So everything we've been doing so far, we haven't used this option, which means we've been using the default growth factors that are built into the model. So in the next video, we'll start specifying a GrowDiff JSON file.